What's going on, Excel fanatics? Verdexes here. Today we are going through another one of the lesson tutorials that Microsoft provides for Excel. I figured I would go ahead and get started with Welcome to Excel. So unlike the last one, I kind of breezed through it. This one I haven't looked at yet. So let's go through this together. I will. Oh yeah. I mean, I will provide a link to this as well if you would like to experience this yourself. But this is, I'm assuming, is going to be very beginner-centric. Okay, let's go ahead and enable editing because we trust this, right? Better. Just 10 steps, you'll be up and running. Okay, let's go. Add numbers like a champ. Here are some ways to add up numbers in Excel. Select the yellow cell under the amounts for fruit. So here's our fruit. Type sum of D4 to D7. So you can actually, type that in. And you see how it kind of fills in there. Otherwise, I think like I've been showing in other videos, you can just drag. But you can actually type it in too, so that's a good point. Press enter. And when you're done, you see the results of 170, right? So if you ever want to double check that, you just highlight it and you see how that populates at the bottom. And yeah, that looks good. When you're done, you see result 170. Here's another way to add using a shortcut key. So select the yellow key under the amounts for meat. Press Alt, then equals. And enter. Yeah, that's a very good shortcut. I use that one all the time. Yeah, so like it says right here, Alt, and then the equal sign. I mean, which is also the plus, so I'm not really sure why they didn't make it a joint key here, but yeah, that's correct. That's a good one. Now add only the numbers over 50. Select the last yellow cell, which is here. Type SUMIF. So this is a good formula. D11. So you see how that highlighted. Semicolon, D15, so semicolon representing everything in between that, comma, quotation marks, greater than 50, close parentheses, and then hit enter. It's interesting that it needs to be in parentheses though, because it's not like with other if functions, it needs things like that. What happens if I don't include it? I'm curious. And I get an error. Okay, so I guess I do need to have that included here. Oh, because that's the criteria itself, right? So the way the formula breaks down, you select the range that needs to be added up. So because this is criteria, so it's only add in this situation. That's what this criteria is. So the situation being greater than 50. I just haven't used it like that before. That was good to know. Result is 100. Yep. So our work is confirmed. Ooh, extra credit. Try adding another SUMIF formula here, but add amounts that are less than 100. So the results will be 160. Okay. So using what we just learned, all right? So equals SUMIF. Same range. And criteria, so I'm going to put that. And then now the arrow sign should be going the other way, right? Too few arguments. What did I do wrong? The range. I'm just going to copy this over. I'm going to change that. Huh, I don't know why that didn't work, but it's a good thing I tried to copy it. Okay, so that was part one of the introduction. I'm going to go through each one of these tabs, depending on how long it takes me. I don't know how many videos this will take, but like I said, I want to keep my videos under 5 minutes. So yeah, so this was a nice introduction to SUMIFs, and we will continue on to tab 2, which is fill. Thanks so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video.